Bingo Blitz tips and tricks, how to level 70 quickly. In this video, I'm going to show you Bingo Blitz tips and tricks to hit level 70 quickly. Hitting level 70 fast means maximizing your XP gains by focusing on high impact activities, and completing daily bingo cards and missions is your best source of XP, so prioritize these tasks to keep leveling steadily. Using boosters effectively allows you to clear cards faster and complete more rounds, which increases XP rewards. Learn which boosters suit your playstyle and save them for difficult cards. Participate in special events and tournaments offering XP multipliers or exclusive rewards, which can significantly accelerate leveling. Joining an active team is useful because team bonuses and shared rewards increase your XP. Play multiple cards at once to maximize your chances of completing lines and full cards, earning more XP in less time. Use free spins and coins carefully to avoid running out, maintaining steady gameplay. Claim all daily login bonuses and complete all challenges for consistent XP rewards. Watch ads to double your rewards when available, maximizing every session. By combining these strategies, you can level up quickly to 70. And that's how you hit level 70 quickly in Bingo Blitz.